front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and hit all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, scroll all the way down to select Photos at the bottom left corner. Tap on all of your pictures you wish to attach. And when you're done, hit Done at the bottom right corner. Then swipe up and send them. If you want to take a photo and add it, use the same icon one last time. Select Photo. Switch your camera to the one you wish to use, and after tapping on the shutter, your photo will be taken and automatically added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!